Oh, what a day to start my first YouTube video. It's raining heavily right now. Welcome to my channel, and my name is Jin. So there's 3 questions that I'm gonna speak about in this video, which is my first video. What will you all expect in this channel, and why am I starting this channel? And also, what will be the future plan of this channel? So let's get started. I would like to say thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my channel. Without you all, this wouldn't even get started. So why do I start this YouTube channel? I am actually searching for a place to retire in the future. So to actually have more knowledge and more experience on where should I stay in the future and deciding where, traveling is the best form to know more in depth about certain culture, food, and their living lifestyle. And by experiencing it, then I would have a better idea of the place, the pros and cons, and that will actually help me in deciding where should I stay in the future. And I can't actually remember all of them, so I would use video as a form as to remember it in the future, so that I can actually watch them back again. So that is part of the reason. And also I want to share my journey and what I experience and what I eat, and show that to all of y'all who are interested in my travel journey. So I would like to bring each and every one of y'all along with me, so that y'all could actually experience it with me. I want to build a community where I can actually share my ideas, my thoughts, and my experience with, and that's y'all. And I hope we could know more about each other, and y'all can actually comment down below and tell me any things that you are interested in which I have not speak about this video. Then just comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them whenever I could. So this is part of the reason why I start this channel, and I actually have a few ideas in mind, but I can't do it right now because the world is not ready for worldwide traveling. So once the restriction has been lifted, I would want to start doing this plan, which is I have a plan of riding a motorbike from Singapore all the way throughout Malaysia till Thailand. And that's part of the plan that I wanted to do all along, and that is why also I'm going to go register for the Class 2B, which is the motor license in Singapore. So in case you all not know, I'm from Singapore. So right now I only have a Class 3, which is a car driving license, and it's actually not that convenient for me if I want to do this kind of like cross-country traveling, because car is not as convenient as motorbike, because motorbike is actually quite small compared to car. And yeah, so I will be going for a bike license soon, and that will actually be one of the reasons that push me further into making this series possible. So another thing that I have to get started is actually need to create my channel, so that I will start doing videos. Right now I'm still not comfortable when I'm doing vlogging out in the public, and I'm not I might get stuck in my mind when I'm trying to speak. So by creating a channel, that would actually help me practice more better, and y'all could actually see my growth throughout my entire journey. And maybe y'all could even tell me what can I improve on, like maybe my speaking or my body language, or even maybe my eyes contact, or maybe improve my English. Because if y'all could hear it, that my English is not that fluent compared to most Singaporean, because Chinese is my native and I speak mostly Chinese at home and dialect, which is why I am a bit, I need to think more and think longer when I try to speak in English. So hope you all don't mind about it. So question number 2. What's my plan in this channel? For right now, since I'm unable to travel out of Singapore and I'm not ready to travel out of Singapore either, so I would be actually exploring most part of Singapore and visiting the tourist spot and non-tourist spot. And also I would want to visit most of the hotel, so that y'all who want to come over to Singapore, travel to Singapore, y'all know where y'all can find maybe cheap or expensive or anything that is catered to you. That kind of hotel that y'all want, y'all can find it through my channel, and I'll maybe do a mini hotel review or something like that. Yeah. And also, I would like to show Singapore culture if possible. And right now, I might not be able to show most of the culture because due to the restriction of people allowed. This is why. But who knows? Maybe sooner or later everything will get better and I can show more. But within this 1 year, most likely I don't think there will be much thing to be shown in the culture side. But who knows? So anything y'all want to know, just comment down below and let me know, so that this will actually help me have more ideas in creating more news videos that interest y'all. Because I wouldn't be trying to create all those videos that I like and enjoy, but actually y'all don't enjoy watching, isn't it? Because we are building a community. I want y'all to follow me throughout the journey. I want y'all to feel it with me and see it with me. That's part of the plan. So, question number 3. What's the future plan of this channel? So, like what I've said at the start, I would want to travel around the world, and I have planned to visit Thailand and Taiwan as a start, because I need to keep the cost as low as possible before I could do anything. Because as you all know, you won't get monetized, and actually when you start getting monetized, the cash flow is actually not that high, and I can't actually experience too much of a good expensive stuff, so which is not also part of my plan. But who knows, I would want to, if I want to know more about things and in depth, I should actually get down to the locals and experience their stuff. But still, getting the money out of the way would be much better, and I wouldn't be like having the money as an obstacle whenever I'm trying to do videos. So that's why I choose either Taiwan or Thailand as a start. And since I can speak Chinese and English, so these two places is pretty much good for me. And since I can't travel now, so yeah, I almost forget. I will be experiencing the smart hotel soon in a few days. So I actually booked the hotel for less than $50, and if you are interested, you can click up above here, and I also link it down below. I actually did a small review about the smart hotel that I'm gonna stay, so that's the plan for the next video. And the following few videos, I have certain plan, and you could actually help me. So just let me know anything. You can just contact me through my Instagram, any social media that is placed down below in my description box. You can just follow me, and through Instagram you're actually able to see my real-time location, like what am I doing right now, where am I, and you all might get a few hint or spoiler about what is the next video that I'm gonna be posting. So I believe this video is quite long already, so yeah, I don't want to speak too much, but I'm gonna show you more in the few next video. And last of all, do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch more of my videos, so that this is the best way to help me. Don't forget. And I'll see you again in the next video. Right?